Good morning class. Today we are start our last and second class of PYQs of TOT and PDF I already share with our the Telegram channel from where you can download our PDF of that class. So we start with the first question, case involving issue of environment pollution and ecological destruction. Whenever the ecological destruction and environment pollution are come, you directly go with the Bittu Sehgal versus Union of India case, in which case it was held at Supreme Court that the state was not liable on the ground of police were acting in discharge of statutory power and power of the police in keeping the property of police. Malkhana was a sovereign power. That case headings are done in a Kasturi Lal versus state of UP. We remember that case, it quite be an important case for a exam perspective. The owner of the bus instructed the driver not to race and compete with the other omnibuses on a particular route. The driver still tried to obstruct the rival omnibus and cause an accident. What shall be the nature of liability? If your employer, if your servant do any kind of act, then you will be liable as per the vicarious liability. So the answer is C. Owner is liable as per the vicarious liability. Which of the following is not an exception to the strict liability principle laid down by Ryland versus Fletcher? Statutory authority, act of good, consent of plaintiff, that are the exception of strict liability, but independent contractor are not the exception of it. If the consent of both party are available, then that can be a exception, but independently you do something, then you will be go with liable for the strict liability. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट कंसर्न द फॉलोइंग राइट कोड, इनमें से कौन कौन से सही है? एब्सोल्यूट लाइबिलिटी, हाँ, वी नीड टू बी सिलेक्ट विच वन इज द राइट. एब्सोल्यूट लाइबिलिटी implies the liability without fault, that is right. In case of absolute liability, defendant liable for the injury if the act is direct and proximate cause of plaintiff's injury, that is right. Absolute liability is liability of the defendant without any defense, that is also right. Last is in absolute liability, defendant can escape the liability if can prove the damages was result of act of stranger, that is wrong. In any time absolute liability if charged to you, there is a no defense available against the absolute liability. Any act of danger, a stranger, act of God, no exception can be claimed in case of absolute liability. That's why we call it absolute liability. Second, next question is about the remedies for the violation of section 3 and 4 are available in the Competition Act of section 27. Uninsured vehicle are also within the scope of section 165 of the Motor Vehicle Act was held in the Permanent Thakur versus Commissioner of Coal Mines. A citizen has a fundamental right to use the best imparting and refining information and as such to have an access of telecasting for purpose of observation. That case of the Ministry of Information Broadcasting Government of India versus Cricket Association, it means the person have to be a basic fundamental right to get a good picture quality of live news and any kind of broadcast which are required. Section 19A of a consumer provide that a state and a national commission shall hire as expeditiously as possible and an endeavor to shall be made finally dispose of the appeal within the 90 days from the date of admission. The section further empower the commissions to make following order answered using by the code. Which of the things are correct? So ordinarily grant to no adjournment unless sufficient cause, that is right. To impose cost occasioned by adjournment, that is right. Record the reason of delay, that is right. Dispose the appeal and ex parte, that is wrong. जल्दी डिसीजन देने के रूल में आप किसी भी केस को एक्स पार्टी डिसीजन नहीं कर सकते. सो द आंसर इज 1 2 3. इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली सेगमेंट ऑफ रूल ऑफ ऑडी अल्ट्रम पार्टम कि दूसरी पार्टी को तो सुनना ही होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने रूल बना दिया जल्दी डिसीजन देना तो दूसरी पार्टी को सुनना ही नहीं. इट कैन नॉट बी डन. The provision of Consumer Protection Act shall be in addition and not in derogation of other law. By virtue of Consumer Protection Act, you cannot be kept the power from other ordinary courts. It's in a addition of remedy, not in a derogation of any another law. Next is about which of the following is not correct in relation to the Consumer Protection Act. It extend to the whole India except in J&K, that is in 2070 it can be correct but not now. It can it shall come into the force on the date of central government notification, that is right. The act shall in addition, not in derogation, that is right. The act shall overside the provisions of sales of goods, that is incorrect. It's not overside. Recently we done, it's in addition, not in derogation, so it cannot overside provisions of any another law. What is the period of limitation? The period of limitation is a 2 year फ्रॉम डेट ऑफ कॉज ऑफ एक्शंस. COA से 2 साल तक का टाइम रहेगा आपको केस फाइल करने का. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट फाइल अ कंप्लेंट बिफोर द डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉरम एज पर द सेक्शन 12. ये थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूजिंग है. इफ़ यू गो एंड रीड द ऑप्शंस तो देखते हैं हम. देखो, कंज्यूमर्स कर सकते हैं, सेंट्रल स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फाइल कर सकती है, कोई भी रिकॉग्नाइज कंज्यूमर एसोसिएशन कर सकती है. ऑप्शन ए जो है, 1 कंज्यूमर एंड नॉट मोर देन 1 कंज्यूमर, ये क्वाइट भी नॉट राइट है. देखो, कंज्यूमर 1 मोर देन 1 कंज्यूमर ये हमने लिखा हुआ है, बेयर एक्ट की लैंग्वेज का है. सेंट्रल स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बेयर एक्ट की लैंग्वेज का है. रिकॉग्नाइज कंज्यूमर एसोसिएशन ये भी बेयर एक्ट की लैंग्वेज है. लेकिन ऑप्शन ए में जो लैंग्वेज है वो करेक्ट हो सकती है इनडायरेक्टली, लेकिन नॉट इज रिलेटेड टू द बेयर एक्ट लैंग्वेज. सो वट एवर द सेक्शन 12 एक्चुअली राइट आउट, वी विल बी गो ओनली विद दैट. सो यू विल बी गो विद द ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. Be specific with that. Whenever any kind of situation come in before you, then you have to be look out which is more correct. जब आपको ऐसा लगे कि चारों ऑप्शन ठीक है, तो जो सबसे कम ठीक लग रहा है उस पर आप टिक करेंगे. Which of the following period of the under section 24A Consumer Protection Act as amended by filing of the complaint, that is about the 2 year is amended. Consumer Act is made simplify the procedure and avoid the complexity so that an ordinary citizen can file the complaint without difficulty. ये सही है. It intend to protect the large body of consumer from exploitation. That is also be a right and correct explanation of it. Clear? So these are the last class of a PYQs of law of tort. Kindly go with the all classes, make notes and practices as much as you can of PYQs and crack the exam. Thank you.